Hello, I'm Nobuko. As a local, there are some places I almost don't want to share with tourists. But today, I'll make an exception. Most visitors come to Toshimaen Station for the Harry Potter Studio Tour Tokyo and then rush back to Central Tokyo. But just a few minutes away, there's a secret cherry blossom garden that hardly anyone knows about. Stay tuned till the end. Okay, let's get started. In front of Toshimaen Station, there is just one cherry tree. Every spring, tourists gather around it with their cameras as if there's the only one place to see blossoms. But here's the secret. There's a much better place and hardly anyone knows about it. I'm going to a traditional Japanese garden now. I'll show you the uncut route of the path to this place. Japan is famous for having four distinct seasons, and each one makes gardens like this look completely different. In spring, cherry blossoms are the highlight. If you are visiting Tokyo between late March and early April, this is a season to enjoy sakura in full bloom. In summer, the garden is filled with fresh greenery and it becomes a calm retreat from the heat of the city. In autumn, the garden is especially beautiful. The maple and ginkgo trees turn bright red and golden yellow, creating one of the best hidden spots for autumn colors in Tokyo. And in winter, the garden becomes quiet and still, sometimes covered in a soft layer of snow. Kōyama Garden is a small but beautiful Japanese garden located in Nerima City, just a few minutes walk from Toshimaen Station and the Harry Potter Studio Tour Tokyo. Many visitors don't realize it's here, but it's free to enter and open to everyone. The garden is not huge, but it offers a calm, traditional landscape where you can slow down and enjoy nature. The pond in the center is said to be a remnant of the old Nerima castle moat. Walking around here, you can still feel the sense of history in this quiet space. In the late 1920s, this land became the residence of Tsubasa Eguchi, who was Japan's Minister of Railways during the early Showa period. Later, in 1970s, a real estate company planned to build apartments here. But local residents strongly opposed to the development and their efforts saved the land. Thanks to them, the Nerima city purchased the property and turned into a public garden which officially opened in 1980. Since then, it has been maintained as a community space with tatami rooms, tea house, and even rental spaces for local events. Most of these facilities are used by residents, but for visitors, the garden itself is always free to enjoy. So, while spring is the most famous season, Kōyama Garden is also stunning in autumn and it's worth visiting all year round. So here's what you need to know. In Tokyo, cherry blossom season is usually from late March to early April. It depends on the weather each year, so timing is always a bit of luck. If you want to see a lot of cherry blossoms, famous spots like Ueno Park, Asukayama Park, and Chidorigafuchi are always popular. But Kōyama Garden in Nerima is a true hidden gem, an anaba, a local secret. Kōyama Garden is free to enter, and it's just a few minutes walk from Toshimaen Station and the Harry Potter Studio Tour Tokyo. So next time you're here in spring, don't just stop at the cherry tree in front of the station. Walk a little further and enjoy the quiet Japanese garden for yourself. That's it all for today. I usually explore places in Japan that tourists often miss with stories from local history and culture. If that sounds fun, subscribe and join me next time. またね